Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about affiliate marketing. Now, if you're like me, you love the idea of making money while you sleep, working from anywhere, and being your own boss. Affiliate marketing can make that happen. But here's the deal. There's a lot of confusing stuff out there about affiliate marketing. So, in this video, we're going to make it super simple and show you how to succeed. We'll share the secrets that can really make a difference. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss our money-making tips. And don't forget to smash that like button if you're ready to make more money with affiliate marketing. Let's talk about one of the best things about affiliate marketing. It's cheap to start. Unlike many traditional businesses that require a significant upfront investment, affiliate marketing allows you to dive in with minimal financial risk. Unlike opening a regular store, you don't need a lot of money to begin. There's no need to worry about renting a physical space, which can be incredibly expensive, especially in prime locations. No renting a building, hiring employees, or buying tons of stuff. You won't have to deal with the overhead costs that come with maintaining a physical storefront, such as utilities, insurance, and property taxes. Think of it like this. It's like starting a business from your computer. You can work from anywhere, whether it's your home, a coffee shop, or even while traveling the world as a digital nomad. You're teaming up with companies and telling people about their products. This partnership allows you to leverage the reputation and resources of established brands without the need to create your own products. And guess what? You don't have to worry about making the products, shipping them, or helping customers. The companies you partner with handle all of that, freeing you up to focus on marketing and promotion. Now you might be thinking, is it really that easy? While it does require effort and strategy, the barriers to entry are much lower compared to traditional businesses. It's not a magic way to get rich quick, but it is simple. Success in affiliate marketing comes from consistent effort and building trust with your audience over time. You use what you're already good at to connect with people and suggest products you actually like. Whether it's through blogging, social media, or video content, your unique voice and perspective are your greatest assets. This lets you focus on what you do best, making cool videos, talking to people, and getting them to see the products you recommend. Your passion and authenticity can drive your success. It's about working smarter, not harder. By leveraging the power of the internet and social media, you can reach a global audience without the need for a large marketing budget. You build your business around your life, not the other way around. This flexibility allows you to maintain a healthy work-life balance, which is crucial for long-term success and happiness. And how much does it cost to run? Almost nothing. The low overhead means you can reinvest your earnings into growing your business or simply enjoy a higher profit margin. You'll need a website, but there are lots of cheap options. Many hosting services offer affordable plans that include everything you need to get started, from domain registration to website building tools. A website address and hosting can cost less than a cup of coffee each day. This minimal investment can yield significant returns as your audience grows and your influence expands. And with the right plan, you can start making good money without spending much. The key is to choose products and services that resonate with your audience and provide real value. It's about building something that lasts, step by step. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. Each small success builds on the last, creating a solid foundation for long-term growth. So, if you want a business that's cheap to start and can make you good money, affiliate marketing might be perfect for you. It's an opportunity to turn your passions into profit with minimal risk and maximum potential. Okay, let's talk about the most important part of affiliate marketing: return on investment, or ROI. ROI is a crucial metric that helps you understand the efficiency of your investments. In simple terms, it measures the gain or loss generated on an investment relative to the amount of money invested. ROI means getting the most money back for the work you put in. It's about maximizing your profits while minimizing your costs. This is especially important in affiliate marketing, where every penny counts. And with affiliate marketing, ROI can be amazing. Imagine putting in a small amount of effort and seeing significant returns. This is the dream scenario for any marketer. You can earn way more than you spend. This is because affiliate marketing leverages the power of performance-based rewards. You only pay for actual results, not just for exposure. Think about it. Regular ads cost a lot and you don't know if they'll work. Traditional advertising methods like billboards or TV ads require a hefty upfront investment, and there's no guarantee of success. But with affiliate marketing, you only pay when you make a sale. It's all about results. This means you can control your spending and ensure that every dollar spent is directly tied to revenue. Let me give you an example. Imagine you're promoting a product online. You don't pay for the ad space. Instead, you pay a commission only when someone buys the product through your link. In the UK, companies make about £15 for every £1 they spend on affiliate marketing. That's a great deal. But here's the thing. This kind of success doesn't happen by accident. Getting a good ROI isn't about luck. It's about strategy, planning, and execution. You need to have a clear plan and stick to it. It's about having a good plan, picking the right products, and connecting with your audience. You need to understand what your audience wants and needs, and then provide them with solutions that meet those needs. It's about knowing what people need and suggesting things that will help them. This builds trust and credibility, which are essential for long-term success, and that's what we're all about, building businesses that make money and do good. We believe in creating value for both the marketer and the consumer. As you grow your audience, get better at what you do, and find great products, you can make even more money. The more you refine your approach, the better your results will be. It takes time, but if you keep working and helping people, it's worth it. Patience and persistence are key. Success doesn't come overnight, but with consistent effort, it will come. So if you want a business that can make you a lot of money, affiliate marketing is a great choice. It's a proven model that has worked for countless entrepreneurs. Do it right, and you can turn what you love into a successful business. Follow your passion, stay committed, and watch your affiliate marketing efforts pay off. One of the best things about affiliate marketing is that it helps more people see your brand. Imagine having a network of individuals who are passionate about your products and services, spreading the word far and wide. It's like having a team of helpers telling everyone about your products. These helpers are not just any ordinary people. They are individuals who have a genuine interest in what you offer. But these aren't just any helpers. They are dedicated and motivated individuals who believe in your brand and want to see it succeed. They're your affiliates, people who love what you do and have their own followers. These affiliates are often influencers, bloggers, or even satisfied customers who want to share their positive experiences with others. They help you reach new people you couldn't reach on your own. By leveraging their existing networks, you can tap into new markets and demographics that were previously out of reach. Think of it this way. Each affiliate brings their own group of followers. This means that your message is being amplified across multiple channels, increasing your brand's visibility exponentially. They've already built trust with these people, which makes it easier to sell products. When an affiliate recommends your product, their followers are more likely to trust their opinion and make a purchase. It's like having a group of people who are already interested in what you have. This pre-existing interest means that your marketing efforts are more likely to be successful. And you don't have to spend tons of time and money trying to reach them. Affiliates do the heavy lifting for you, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your business. Your affiliates do the work for you. They create content, share your products, and engage with their followers on your behalf. This means more people know about your brand, visit your website, and buy your products. Increased traffic and sales are just some of the benefits of a well-executed affiliate marketing strategy. It's about working together to spread your message to everyone. Collaboration is key, and by partnering with affiliates, you can achieve greater success than you ever could alone. Now you might be thinking, how do I find these great affiliates? The process is simpler than you might expect, and there are several ways to get started. It's easier than you think. Start by identifying individuals or groups who align with your brand values and have a following that matches your target audience. You can join affiliate networks, talk to influencers, or even start your own affiliate program. Each of these methods has its own advantages and can help you build a strong network of affiliates. The key is to be friendly, build relationships, and make it worth their while to work with you. Offer competitive commissions, provide them with the resources they need, and show appreciation for their efforts. So, if you want to reach more people than ever before, affiliate marketing is the way to go. It's a powerful tool that can help you expand your reach and grow your business. Work together and watch your brand grow. By leveraging the power of affiliates, you can achieve new heights and take your business to the next level. Let's talk about something businesses love about affiliate marketing. You only pay when it works. If you've ever paid for regular ads, you know it's risky. You spend money and hope for the best, but you might not get anything back. With affiliate marketing, you only pay when your affiliates make sales. Everyone wins. You don't waste money, and your affiliates work hard to sell your products. Think of it like this. You're not just throwing money away. Every dollar you spend leads to a sale. This is especially good for new and small businesses. It lets them compete with big companies without spending a ton of money. And here's the best part. You're not just paying for sales. You're learning about your customers. Your affiliates can tell you what customers like and don't like. This helps you make your products and marketing even better. It's teamwork that helps everyone grow. So if you're tired of wasting money on ads that don't work, try affiliate marketing. Pay for results, not promises, and watch your business grow. Now let's talk about why affiliates love affiliate marketing. The freedom. Imagine not working a regular job, working from anywhere, and deciding how much money you make. That's the power of affiliate marketing. It lets you build a business that fits your life. Whether you're a parent at home, someone who travels a lot, or just want more freedom, affiliate marketing can make it happen. One of the best parts is making passive income. Imagine making money while you sleep, travel, or relax. While it takes work to build a successful affiliate marketing business, once you do, you can keep making money for a long time. This is because online content can last forever. A blog post or video can make money for years if people keep seeing it. But it's not just about passive income. It's about choosing your own hours, working from anywhere, and being your own boss. You choose your goals, make your own decisions, and build a business you love. So, if you're ready to ditch the regular job and live a life with freedom and lots of earning potential, affiliate marketing is for you. So there you have it. Affiliate marketing made easy and accessible. We talked about the low costs involved, the potential for big money, reaching more people, paying only for results, and the amazing freedom it offers. If you're ready to take charge of your money and future, build a business you love and are passionate about, and live a life with freedom and flexibility, affiliate marketing is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our tips and tricks for making money with affiliate marketing. See you in the next video. Take care.